Sa gitna ng di pagkakasundo ng China at Pilipinas kaugnay sa teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea, isang Pinoy drummer ang tutulak papuntang China para sa isang cultural exchange. At ngayon makakapanayam natin siya mismo, ang Aqua drummer at Sinawali drummer na si Jean Paul Zialcita. Magandang umaga, Paul.
Morning, Howie.
Okay. Well, may problema ngayon ng China at Pilipinas, no? May alitan dahil dito sa mga isla sa West Philippine Sea. Paano makakatulong ang musika sa solusyon nito?
Well, we're taking the avenue of cultural diplomacy. In this case, it's the year of the ASEAN-China cultural exchange, and preceding all of this tension, this was already set in motion. And there are some things, may mga bagay na where art can cut through, where sometimes political lines can be blurred because everyone appreciates beauty, and you know habol ng art, di ba? Magpakita ng maganda.
Official program ito, no? Ng China and Pilipinas, government to government and people to people.
Right, and all ASEAN countries will be participating.
Okay, so ang Pilipinas isang bansa lang, maraming bansa ang pupunta doon.
Yes.
Sampu ang miyembro ng ASEAN.
All ASEAN member countries.
And lahat ng ASEAN countries may kinatawan na drummer.
Yes, yes. Sa unang bahagi, it's very hopeful that we are part of this. We are invited. It's official. And since you brought it up, sa gitna ng mga tensyon, ay bahagi pa rin tayo nito. So itong isang paraan to para to interact with our Chinese counterparts and all our ASEAN neighbors. And again, through drumming in this case, where music is concerned, no? Again, art has a way of cutting across lines, and what's going to happen here, personally, I'm really excited about it, is because we're not going there and we're not going to present our own personal performances. We were given an assignment piece, which we are now reviewing individually, and then together with all the ASEAN countries, one drummer representing each.
Okay, collaborative ito.
Right.
Okay, nakikita ngayon kasi sa TV itong yung sinasabi mong Sinawali drumming, no? Pakilarawan lang kung anong nagaganap diyan. May pinapalo ka na drum na nakatayo.
Okay, it's
with arnistics.
Yes, it's very inspired by Asian drumming, especially Japanese drumming. And the idea is the actual drum is made of what we normally use for water bottles and trash cans. So homemade, homegrown materials, rattan, kawayan, yung stand. And then Sinawali, because we're using Sinawali striking patterns, which is...
Sinawali is a martial art.
Which belongs to...
indigenous martial art.
The family of the body of work of Filipino martial arts. Ang Sinawali yung paggamit ng dalawang baston sa pakikipaglaban. May solo baston, may espada daga. At sa dami ng pangalan ng Filipino martial arts, may kali, may eskrima, may arnis, at iba pa, lahat sila nagkakasundo. Lahat kami nagkakasundo sa term na Sinawali sa paggamit ng dalawang baston. So, sinisimulate mo yung pagpalo, ng actual na pagpalo mo sa Filipino martial arts, at tinatranslate mo siya into rhythmic patterns.
So, pinagsama mo yung martial arts at saka music.
I found a way to combine both of my loves in that sense.
Okay, so isang uri yan ng innovation mo sa percussion. The other is using this water jugs, no, para mag-drum. Kaya may lamang tubig that influences the sound of the drum.
Right. I finally call it the Aqua drum. I've been using it for about 15 years since I started out. And it's a particular 5-gallon bottle which anyone can recognize, anyone can have, which is flat at the bottom. Kasi maraming kadalasan ngayon palubog eh.
Very familiar to sa mga manonood dahil halos lahat ng households may ganyang klaseng water jug na.
And the idea is between this and the Sinawali drum, because they're either homemade or found objects or homegrown, you're creating access to make magic through the simplest things in the simplest ways. In this case, applied to music.
Okay, so sample, pakinggan natin ang tunog nitong Aqua drum. At by the way, nakapatong siya dito sa isa pang familiar object, ano?
Yes, sir.
Yung andador ng mga baby.
Correct. So we found a news for the Andador as well. Andador, ito yung aking baby.
Maraming salamat, percussionist, aqua drummer at sinawali drummer na si Jean Paul Zialcita, patungong China.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This weekend.
Nice music.